Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is fast and reliable. Charge the Beats to a usable level and power them on. Once done, make sure your laptop Bluetooth is turned on and the settings panel is open so you can monitor Discovery. Then put the Beats into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes. This is what makes the headset visible. You do this now to avoid wasting time with resets later, and to ensure the laptop actually detects the headphones. Once the Beats appear on your laptop, select Beat Studio 3 from the device list. You might see a connecting spinner. If a PIN prompt appears, accept or enter 0000. Most systems just require confirmation. After successful pairing, make sure the headphones are set as the default playback and communication device in your sound settings, and verify volume levels are reasonable. You do this to route audio correctly and prevent your laptop speakers from competing with the headset, so test with a quick audio file or system sound. To finish, test both media playback and the microphone to confirm everything works. Play a song and join a quick call, then tweak input and output levels so your mic isn't too loud or soft. If pairing fails, reboot laptop and Beats, or remove the Beats from Bluetooth and re-add them. This clears stale profiles. If issues continue, update Bluetooth drivers or the OS, because driver mismatches often cause audio or connection drops. This approach fixes most problems quickly, without complicated tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.